It has become abundantly clear over the last several years, seeing literally thousands of dogs that are missing, that we need to increase focus on the dogs that are missing in the state of Massachusetts. And by increasing that focus, by establishing a group devoted to those dogs that are lost and whose families are trying to find them, or dogs who are found and we need to find their families, that establishing a group that's devoted solely to Massachusetts, I think, will help us to reunite more missing dogs with their families. We also hope to place a focus on education and loss prevention. If we can keep one dog out of the shelter system, then we've done a great thing.
What drives us to do such a thing for these dogs who have reverted back to survival mode on the streets after maybe they've either had a home or have been in foster care? And what drives me is the fact that I will not give up because they do not give up.
I think they deserve better than being lost outside, and that's what drives me.
When I started to help find all these dogs, it's like something almost clicked in me that somewhere, somehow, I was going to make a difference to somebody.
I just love what I do with these dogs, and I would never give up on them.